What's up? Welcome back. Today we are learning what a sign name is. I know I've talked about this before, but I'm getting a lot of people, like new people, so hi. So my sign name is this. The sign for happy is this, and so my name starts with C. And you can only be given a sign name by a deaf person or someone, deaf person part of the deaf community. It can't just be anyone, a hearing person or whatever, because it holds a lot of meaning. It's either about your features or your personality, like mine. I was given when I was younger from a teacher at the school for the deaf, and I was always happy, and so that's why I got happy. And yeah, you can only get it from a deaf person. It's really important.